Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. In this morning, I want to present my research about the impact of total quality management, supply chain management, and knowledge management on corporate performance throughout the corporate competitiveness. Case study PT Berantas Adipraya Persero. My name is Satria Gunawan. I am a student of Magister Management on State University of Jakarta. In this research, my lecture is Dr. Agung Wahyu Handaru, STMM, and Dr. Indah Prahala, SE, MSI. Presentation outline, introduction, literature review, and formulation of hypothesis, research method, analyze result, and closing. Number one, introduction. In construction companies, the success of a company will be reflected in the size of the construction contract, of times, at a certain time, and the amount of income that can be produced based on this contract, so that it can be provide an overview of the company performance, achievement, both in operational and finance terms. Total quality management is a management system for improving quality with an orientation toward customer satisfaction through continuous improvement to create sustainability competitive advantage, which will have an impact on improving company performance. Supply chain management create effectiveness, efficiency, and ensure the availability of need at the right time with the right quantity and cost, resulting in high competitiveness and an impact on increased company profit. Knowledge management is a system that aims to improve employee skill so that decision making is carried out better. Thus, if knowledge management and practice are implemented effectively, it will be able to create competitive advantage and improve company performance. PT Berantas Adipraya is a state-owned enterprise operating in the construction services sector, which has implemented total quality management by establishing a QISA department and forming a supply chain management unit to manage the company's supply chain. The company also established a skill education institute to always improve and development knowledge. This effort is made by the company to achieve the vision of becoming a top 5 national construction company. Based on the 2022 annual report, the company experienced contract growth of 139.52%, or in the fourth highest position among national construction companies. The company occupies the top position based on revenue growth with a value of 150.65% and net profit growth of 234.75% from 9 other national construction companies as a comparison. Based on this research, I am interested in examining the effect of implementing TQM, SCM, and KM on company performance through increasing company competitiveness. formulation of the problem, how the influence of total quality management on power competitive PT Berantas company, PT Berantas Abipraya Persero. How does supply chain management influence the competitiveness of PT Berantas Abipraya Persero? How does knowledge management influence the competitiveness of the Berantas Abipraya Persero? How does the total quality management influence the performance of the company PT Berantas Abipraya Persero? How does supply chain management influence the performance of the company PT Berantas Abipraya Persero? Next, how does knowledge management influence the performance of the company PT Berantas Abipraya Persero? How does the company competitiveness affect the company performance of PT Berantas Abipraya Persero? Next, how the influence of total quality management on performance company through enhanced power competitive PT Berantas Abipraya Persero. How does supply chain management influence company performance by increasing the competitiveness of PT Berantas Abipraya Persero? And the end formulation of the problem adalah is how does knowledge management influence company performance by increasing the competitiveness of PT Berantas Abipraya Persero? Research purpose adalah number one, the analysis of influence of total quality management on the competitiveness of PT Berantas Abipraya. Number two, to analyze the influence of supply chain management on the competitiveness of PT Berantas Abipraya Persero. Number three, to analyze the influence of knowledge management on the competitiveness of PT Berantas Abipraya Persero. To analyze the influence of total quality management on the performance of the company PT Berantas Abipraya Persero. 5. To analyze the influence of supply chain management on the performance of the company PT Berantas Abipraya Persero. 6. To analyze the influence of knowledge management on the performance on the company PT Berantas Abipraya Persero. Number 7, to analyze the influence of company competitiveness on company performance PT Berantas Abipraya Persero. Number 8, to analyze the influence of total quality management on company performance through increasing of competitiveness of PT Berantas Abipraya Persero. Number 9, to analyze the influence of supply chain management on company performance by increasing the competitiveness of PT Berantas Abipraya Persero. Number 10, the research purpose to analyze the influence of knowledge management on company performance through increasing the competitiveness of the company PT Berantas Abipraya Persero. Benefit of research for researcher is increase and expand researcher knowledge regarding company management science, especially regarding the influence of total quality management, supply chain management, and knowledge management on company performance through increasing company competitiveness. For reader, benefit of the research adalah to provide input and add insight to reader so that it can be useful as a reference for further research. Benefit of the research for companies, it is help that the result of their research can be input for PT Berantas Abipraya to maximize company performance through competitiveness by implementing total quality management, supply chain management, and knowledge management. Besides, their study is expected to become effort development knowledge management in life daily and give contribution on preparation, total quality management, supply chain management, and knowledge management strategies in increase performance company through enhancement power competitive company. Step number 2, literature review and hypothesis formulation. Literature review. Company performance. Company performance is a view of the overall condition of the company at a certain time, a result that is influenced by the company operational activity and utilizing its resource based Kohang, Palis, Kiwis, and Goluskowski. Company competitiveness. Competitiveness is the ability to create product with technological processes to create high added value according to customer need at low cost and high productivity to increase profit. Michael Potter. Total quality management is a management system to improve quality toward achieving competitive advantage oriented toward customer satisfaction by seeking right system activities through continuous improvement and motivating employee. Kit subgroup. Supply chain management is an approach used to effectively integrate supplier, producer, warehouse, and store so that supplies can be produced and distributed in the right quantity, time, and location so that overall system cost can be minimized to satisfy needs and services. Simchi and Levy. Knowledge management is the knowledge processed by employees who remain and become a company asset even though they have physically left the company. And through knowledge management, the company can learn quickly so that it's adaptive to change that occur by coming. Pure research from Putri Pinasti and Harry Nurcin. The research show knowledge management has significant positive significant value to employees' performance. So a high knowledge management practice to high employees' performance. T.S. Louis Gunadarma, the title of research, Supply Chain Management Practice, Competitive Advantage and Performance in Sri Lanka Construction Industry. The research is supply chain management practice has two positive relationship and significant impact to competitive advantage and performance organization. The research by Bara Tarek Kasrawi, the impact of total quality management practice and knowledge management process on organization performance. The research show that significant impact total quality management and knowledge management to performance organizational performance. Research Kalistia Prahogo and Devi, the impact of total quality management through competitive advantage and performance organization performance. Next, Regina Suarto and Devi analis pengaruh supply chain management terhadap keunggulan bersaing dan kinerja perusahaan. And the end of Vivi Surya Devi Kusuma and Devi penelitian research analisa pengaruh knowledge management terhadap keunggulan bersaing dan kinerja perusahaan. All of the research the total quality management, supply chain management, and knowledge management have significantly impact to competitive advantage and organization performance. Research framework, total quality management, supply chain management, and knowledge management impact to competitive advantage impact to performance organization, and total quality management, supply chain management, knowledge management have a significant impact to performance organization. Hypothesis number 1. There is a significant influence of total quality management on the competitiveness of PT Brantas Abipraya Persero. Hypothesis number 2. There is significant influence of supply chain management on the competitiveness of PT Brantas Abipraya Persero. Hypothesis number 3. There is a significant influence of knowledge management on the competitiveness of PT Brantas Abipraya Persero. Hypothesis number 4. There is significant influence of total quality management on the performance of the company PT Brantas Abipraya Persero. Hypothesis number 5. There is a significant influence of supply chain management on the performance of the company PT Brantas Abipraya Persero. Hypothesis number 6. There is a significant influence of knowledge management on the performance of the company PT Brantas Abipraya Persero. Hypothesis number 7. There is a significant influence Hypothesis number 7. There is a significant influence of the company competitiveness on the performance of the company PT Brantas Abipraya Persero. Hypothesis number 8. There is significant influence of total quality management and company performance through increasing the competitiveness of the company PT Brantas Abipraya Persero. Hypothesis number 9. There is a significant influence of supply chain management on company performance through increasing the competitiveness of the company PT Brantas Abipraya Persero. Hypothesis 10. There is significant influence of knowledge management on company performance through increasing the competitiveness of the company PT Brantas Abipraya Persero. Step 3, research method. Type of research is causative. It is a type of research which problem characteristic in the form of a causal and effect relationship between two variables. Place and time of research at PT Brantas Abipraya, Jalan DI Panjaitan, Kafling 14, Cawang, East Jakarta in time in January or March until March 2024. Population BOD means 1, BOD means 2, BOD means 3, Customer Relation Officer, Auditor, Project Manager, Factory Head, Site Engineering Manager, and Site Administration Manager at PT Brantas Abipraya Persero, which total population is 224 people. Number of the sample on the study, this use Hare et al. Method with sample amount to 100 x the respondent. That type and source, that types quantitative that and qualitative that source that primary that research analysis variable, secondary that book and document about employee. Research method, questionnaire, studies bibliography or documentation and observation. Research information, the questionnaire contain a statement use scale Likert with preparation using 5 alternatives, each answer given score. Definition of research operation and research variable. Company performance definition, a complete view of the company condition during a certain period of time is the result of achievement that is influenced by the company operational activity in utilizing the resource it has. Measurement indicator, effectiveness, efficiency, product quality, productivity, work quality, innovation, and profitability. Variable company competitiveness, definitionnya the ability of the company to grow, gain profit, and maintain its position in competition with the other companies in the market. Measurement indicator, cost, quality, delivery, serving times, flexibility, and flexibility. Variable total quality management, and definition and integrated approach to obtain and maintain high quality output, focus on maintenance, repair, sustainability, and failure prevention at all level and function of the company in order to fulfill to or exceed customer expectation. Measurement indicator, top management support, quality information, process management, product design, workforce management, supplier involvement, customer involvement, employee empowerment. Variable supply chain management, definitionnya effort to integrate all parties involved in providing, production, sending product and service to customer. Measurement indicator, quality relationship with supplier, connectivity between companies in the supply chain, anticipating and responding to change, customer relationship, collaborative planning, managerial assertiveness, customer atau marketing or marketing sensitivity, delivery reliability dynamic, production scheduling, and variable knowledge management. Definition, the process of ensure an organization find, select, disseminate, and transfer information that is important and necessary for various activities, such as problem solving, dynamic learning process, as well as the right planning and decision-making strategies at the right time in the right format. Measurement indicator, technology, job radius, job procedure, personal knowledge, use of knowledge, sharing knowledge, reflection of knowledge, and identification of knowledge. Analysis technique data. Number 1, descriptive analysis. Descriptive analysis report the mean of standard deviation of each indicator used in the questionnaire, which is calculated per dimension or variable. Number 2, validity test. The validity test in this research use the confirmatory factor analysis, CFA, and exploratory factor analysis (EVA) test. Reliability test. The reliability test in the research use the convex alpha method to determine whether each instrument is reliable or not. Number 4, hypothesis testing. Hypothesis testing is the research use SAM. Number 5, structure equation model data analysis test. Researchers use the same diesel program version 10.0. Model fitness fit. In the research use absolute fit indices, incremental fit indices, and parsimony fit indices. Analyze result. Respondent data. Respondent data was analyzed to determine of number and percentage based on possession, length of work, last education, age, and gender, using SPSS version 20. Descriptive statistic. In this data, to score of each indicator is determined by minimum value, maximum value, average value, and standard deviation using SPSS version 2020. Validity test. In this study, the validity test was assessed based on factor loading, standardized regression weight, and FA value. If the loading factor value bigger or same 0.5 indicates that the indicator is valid. And if the loading factor value smaller than 0.5 indicates that the indicator is invalid. KFA of total quality management, variable X1, and supply chain management variable X2, knowledge management variable X3 test, performance variable Y variable, and competitiveness Z validity test. All of the tests show GR always more than 0.5. VA also more than 0.5. The data was analyzed use SPSS. So if the result bigger than 0.5, the variable in the test is we can take the conclusion the variable or the variable in the research is valid. Test the validity and reliability of the overall model. max lowest loading factor is 0.51 indicator X2.7 and max highest loading factor is 0.92. That 3 indikator, because all indicator on more loading factor big from 0.5, so conclusion all indicator is valid. The AV value is more big from 0.5, so concluded the all variable that is the result is valid. Reliability test. The reliability test is carried out using the convex alpha method. If the reliability coefficient value obtained is greater than the critical point, namely 0.7, then it is concluded that the variable is reliable. Variable total quality management, supply chain management, knowledge management, and company performance and competitiveness. Convert the result as convert alpha greater than 0.7. So all the variable is reliable to the result. Model fit assessment. Initial goodness of fit criteria evaluation before modification. We find 3 marginal fit, 3 good fit, and 1 poor fit, and chi-square 600 6.3. So we use modification evaluation of initial goodness of fit criteria after modification. The result of fit assessment after modification, we find false good fit probabilitas CMIN, RMSEA, and CFI good fit, GFE, AGFE, NFE marginal fit. Then chi-square we find in the result is 597.52. If we compare before modification, the result is more or less. The overall model fit analysis show that there are 4 categories that fall into the good fit criteria, namely probability, CMIN, DF, RMSEA, and CFE. There are 3 marginal fit categories, namely GFE, AGFL, and NFE. And there was a decrease in the chi-square value to 597.52. Thus, the overall model fit is a good compared to previous model, and the analysis can be continued. hypothesis testing. Test criteria reject X null if the econ bigger than the table, or the econ small the table. Except hypothesis null if the con smaller the table, or the con bigger than the table. If we show the table about hypothesis testing, all of the table 1.96 and dihitung all dihitung bigger than 9 bigger than the table. So we can conclude all of hypothesis 01, 02, 03 till 07 is reject, and hypothesis 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17, 4, 18, 19, and 110 accepted. Closing, the final of closing about research. Conclusion. Hypothesis number 1, total quality management is a positive and significant influence on company competitiveness. Hypothesis number 2, supply chain management has a positive and significant influence on company competitiveness. Hypothesis number 3, knowledge management has a positive and significant influence on company competitiveness. Hypothesis number 4, total quality management has an effect on company performance. Hypothesis number 5, supply chain management has a positive and significant influence on company performance. Hypothesis number 6, knowledge management has a positive and significant influence on company performance. Hypothesis number 7, competitiveness has a positive and significant influence on company performance. Hypothesis number 8, total quality management through competitiveness has a positive and significant influence on company performance. Hypothesis number 9, supply chain management through competitiveness has a positive and significant influence on company performance. Hypothesis number 10, knowledge management through competitiveness is a positive and significant influence. So the conclusion, all of the hypotheses have a positive and significant influence to performance and competitiveness of PT Berantas Abipraya Persero. Suggestion, theoretical, there is a need for further research with qualitative research types because the research now is quantitative research. It is hoped that further research will be carried out not only on one company, but on the construction service industry. Suggestion in practical, the company commitment to prioritize quality over price must continue to be maintained. The company must be able and have media regarding information on the quality of the product produced by the company, including the production process carried out by the company. Number 3, company must be able to manage connectively between companies in the supply chain with careful planning and building partnership relationship with partner. Company must start planning and providing reward to partner to build customer sensitivity. The knowledge management sharing statement where each employee can share their knowledge, techniques, experience, and idea with each other is an indicator that get the highest assessment from the knowledge management variable. And number 6, company are obligated to provide feedback to employees regarding the knowledge they have so that employees feel value and can apply it in the company. Limitation. The object of the research is only one of the state-owned enterprise construction services at PT Brantas Abipraya Persero. Among respondents, only 100 XT respondents. Of course, still not enough to describe a real situation so that research study can be biased. Because this research uses quantitative method, each respondent can only answer question briefly, and the researcher cannot provide detailed answer from each respondent or express the respondent opinion in the questionnaire, while other factors such as sincerity cannot be verified. Thank you for your attention and your time. See you next time.